In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Drive with Google Sites, a fantastic way to enhance your site's interactivity and utilize your documents, presentations, and more directly within your site. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step, ensuring that you're all set to make the most out of these two powerful tools. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head towards Google. In the search bar, simply type Google Sites and press Enter. You'll likely see the Google Sites website appear as the top search result, so go ahead and click on that link to navigate over to Google Sites. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll notice it showcases a list or grid view of available sites tied to your account or organization. If you've already got a site created, it should pop up here. Click on the particular site you wish to integrate with Google Drive. If by chance you don't have a site created yet, you'll need to set one up first. However, today, our focus is on integrating an existing site with your Google Drive content. Now that your site is open, the next step is to seek out the Google Drive icon. This is usually represented by that familiar triangle logo, though its exact location might vary depending on whether you're using the new Google Sites interface or the classic version. Click on this Google Drive icon to proceed. Doing so will open up your Google Drive, so you can access all the stored files, folders, and documents you possess. Once inside Google Drive, locate the specific file you want to add to your site. This could be anything from a PDF, a Google Doc, a slides presentation, or any other file format you'd like to share with your site visitors. Go ahead and click on the file to select it for insertion into your site. As you select the item, you'll usually see it highlighted or an action menu popping up. With the file selected, it's time to look for the Insert option and give it a click. This button effectively allows you to embed the selected file into your Google site as an interactive element. The layout and appearance of this embedded file might slightly vary depending on its type, but the basic process remains the same. After ensuring that your newly added file looks just right on your site, it's time to share these updates publicly. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your site editor where you'll find the Publish button. Clicking Publish makes all your latest changes, including the newly added Google Drive content, visible to your site visitors. It's also prudent to double-check the visibility settings for your embedded files, ensuring that your audience has the necessary access permissions. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to integrate Google Drive